Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Tundra timing belt. First, ensure you have all the correct tools and new parts ready, including the timing belt, water pump, and tensioner. Safety is paramount, so disconnect your battery's negative terminal. Next, you will need to drain the engine coolant and remove the accessory drive belts to gain clear access to the timing cover. This preparation saves time and prevents issues. Now, let's get to the core of the job. Begin by removing the fan shroud, the fan assembly, and the crankshaft pulley. These steps provide crucial space. Next, carefully unbolt and remove the upper and lower timing belt covers. Before removing the old timing belt, it is absolutely essential to mark the timing alignment points on both the camshafts and the crankshaft. This ensures correct engine timing upon reassembly. With the old belt and components removed, it's time for the new parts. Start by installing the new water pump, the timing belt tensioner, and any idler pulleys. Then, meticulously route the new timing belt, ensuring all your previously marked timing points on the camshafts and crankshaft align perfectly. This precise alignment is critical for engine function. Finally, verify the tensioner is correctly set and the belt is properly seated. After installing the new timing belt, it's time to put everything back together. Reinstall the timing belt covers, crankshaft pulley, fan assembly, and fan shroud. Don't forget to reattach all the accessory drive belts. Once everything is secured, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant and reconnect the battery. Start the engine and listen for any unusual noises, then check for leaks. Remember to check the description for links to great deals on smart speakers and other useful items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.